Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a short video here. I had some memories pop up from about 5 or 6 years ago, and they were from when I took my boys down to Knob Creek machine gun shoot in down by Louisville, Kentucky, West Point, I think it was. Anyway, it was just a great time. The boys had so much fun. We shot guns and celebrated the Second Amendment, which is very important. Yeah, we need to really keep fighting for our freedoms and our Second Amendment in this country and a lot of other things. But anyway, let's get back to the fun. It was just a lot of fun, good family fun for everyone. The place usually, I think it was drew about 40 to 50,000 people on a weekend for the military gun show and machine gun shoot, and yeah, it was a really good time. So anyway, I just wanted to share those memories. Like I said, it's from a while back, like 5 or 6 years ago. But anyway, it was fun, and I just want to share it with you. So anyway, we'll get on with it here.
That's a gun, isn't it?
That's awesome.
Yeah, really.
Okay, shoot already. My phone's gonna die. Are you recording? Yeah. Oh, 5.
You'll see here that I get to shoot. I rented a M249 saw, and I shot belt rounds through that. It was fun, and my son Joe, who's the older one, you'll see he gets to shoot a BAR from World War II, a Browning automatic rifle, 30-06. And then my youngest son William, you'll see him shoot a MP5 45 caliber. So, and we all had a lot of fun with it. So anyway, get on there.
so much.
Just think, that was a whole box of D-rifle shells.
No. My D rifle is not 6.
Whenever you're ready, you
Try
pull the
something
trigger.
else?
Right here. No, you have to keep them on.
Okay.
No.
Perfect. Thanks, man.
Sorry about
Appreciate
that.
it.
I don't know, maybe
Here,
that's
go,
all.
take your yeah.
We got one more? You got the one on the
Oh, no.
front. No, birthday boy. This is birthday. 49.
I'll do the hand.
What do you think of that?
All right.
Is that fun, Junior?
Do not bounce them rounds over the hill. You don't want to see anything being bounced. I need 3 boards. 2 boards on the left, 3 boards on the right.
We're ready. Get ready, Bob.
guys, I hope you liked the video. Anyway, Knob Creek was a good time, like I said before. I wish they were still doing it. Our Second Amendment's pretty important. Our country was founded on it, so we need to keep fighting for our Second Amendment. Yeah, and our freedoms. So anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, like and subscribe. I appreciate it a lot from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you guys here soon.